Show out, Myles, so I can record it. Oh, bring it back down this way, so I'm recording it. We was with Uncle Tommy. Oh. Uncle Tommy met Anna. You see that car? Don't get too comfortable. I love it. Oh, he love it. He love that car. I love it.
Oh, this guy that you can take videos.
You go back. You scared? You scared?
Scared of the car. Go running. You're scared of the car.
Babe.
He said scary.
You gotta get used to it. He'll be alright.
You can play that. Yeah. He's not afraid when he's not afraid. He's so big that. What? This how Scott is?
You were on top of them. Yeah.
Scott put her hand right in here, and she sit on it and she wrote it.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know how to do this.